All right, y'all. So I've been getting a lot of questions since I installed my VLAN headlights on the Ram right here, as you guys can see. A lot of people are actually interested in these headlights, so I figure out to make a honest review on this. It's been about 1 month since I had these headlights on a truck, and I want to really get down into talking about pretty much overall my experience with the headlights so far, what I think about it, how much I pay for, just in case if if you interested in getting yourself one of these headlights. Also, I'm definitely going to be able to tell you guys exactly where I got it from, obviously. But it's been 1 month since I put these headlights on the truck, and as you guys can see, these things are super beautiful, man. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. So today, that's what we're gonna be talking about in this video today. I'm trying to change it up a little bit today, give it a little bit more of a different scenery and stuff. But if you're here for your first time on the channel, obviously this is my 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup truck right behind me, and this truck pretty much is what the channel is about. So definitely, if you are into Mopar or these fourth generation Dodge Ram, or overall just trying to support the channel, I would definitely appreciate it if you hit that subscribe, hit that like button. Definitely gonna mean a lot. So first thing first, how much did I pay for these headlights, these VLAND headlights that I have on my truck right here? How much was it? So I believe I paid somewhere around like 500, close to $600. It's not the exact number, but it was around that range. And where did I buy them from? I got them from on Amazon. I do believe you can get them from somewhere else, but I got them from on Amazon. And one thing I gotta say though, for the price and looking at the quality, I would say paying the amount I spent, definitely worth it. Honestly, definitely worth it. And this is me being 100% honest. It's not a sponsorship. As you guys know, I did have previously I had some aftermarket headlights on my truck before, and those ones I think I paid the same price for them. And the crazy thing is, those ones end up being like the worst headlights I ever put on this truck. So, it was a waste of money. But now these ones right here, like the VLAN headlights, are completely different. So I paid somewhere around like five, close to six, and I got them from Amazon. Now we're gonna jump into talking about how bright these headlights are, because I feel like this is something that's very, very important that you should know if you plan on putting one of these headlights on your truck. Now I'll be completely honest with you guys. These headlights are extremely bright. I'm saying like extremely bright to where the only issue I'm having is that nighttime when I'm driving with this truck, I get a lot of people that flicker their lights and stuff at me because for some reason they think I have my high beam on because of how bright these lights are. Kind of a good thing, but then on the other hand too, it's kind of like a bad thing because you having a lot of people going to be flicking you and stuff like that. But if you need some real bright lights, these are the ones right here. But yeah, these lights super bright. So you just want to keep in mind if you are buying them to put them on your truck, keep in mind that they are extremely bright. You most definitely going to get noticed when you're driving behind somebody or if you're driving the opposite way. So just want to keep that in mind. Now the next thing is, how difficult is it to install this? Because I do know now these headlights come with like a couple different settings, right? So you have there's the switch, turn signal and stuff like that comes on, which is like the bottom part. They do come on and stuff like that. And I do believe the white lights, as you guys see right now, those are just like the option where you could keep them like that, or I think it's like a switch where when you install in the lights, where you can unplug it and stuff to where you don't want them to be. If you want just like the regular straight white lights like that, all you got to do is unplug it. But far as like installing everything is very, very easy. It's not hard for you to do so. Very straightforward, easy process. It took me probably at least roughly, I'll say, if you know what you're doing and you take out headlights from on a Ram truck before, as you guys know, you gotta take the grill out. So took me probably at least like I would say 25 minutes to 30 minutes. But overall, just to be real honest with you guys, I have no complaints with these headlights, and the quality is super, super good. And I always say this. I feel like for every fourth generation Dodge Ram trucks, this is how the original headlights should have came from factory, and VLANds or whatever the brand name is. I think they did a great job with it. But the only little downside about this headlight is the only bad thing I would say is the fact that they are super bright. So you want to make sure you keep that in mind if you are going to be putting one of these headlights on your truck. Just make sure to know that they are extremely bright. I'm pretty sure there's ways where you can be able to try to change the bulbs or something like that to be able to fix that issue. But honestly, for me right now, I just love the look that it have, and overall, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. So if you need some headlights, make sure you hit Amazon VLANds headlights for the Ram truck. If you are here for your first time on the channel, don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Help support the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and peace out.